Hey friends, it's Julie. Welcome back to Rowing Cove Farms. It's time to start harvesting for our very first farmers market. I'm really excited. It's coming up. It is now Thursday night. The market is on Saturday morning. I wanted to get my stuff harvested this evening so that I can make bouquets tomorrow, and then we will be ready for Saturday. So I'm a little nervous about making these bouquets today because I've been practicing and my bouquet making skills are okay, but they're not great. So I think I'll just have to keep working, and over time they'll get better. But I just don't want to ruin my flowers, and I just want to make sure I'm able to make a profit too. So I think my goal for this week for the first market is just to make $15 bouquets. Like, all of them will be the same size, and I'll just do some variations in what's in the bouquets, and that way there'll be some, some different ones. They won't all be exactly the same, but I won't have to worry about trying to make big ones and small ones and all that. We'll just do one basic size for everyone. And I think the $15 price point will be the right sweet spot for most people in our town. We have a small town and people don't have huge incomes here, so I don't want to break the bank, so to speak. Now, I will be offering bigger bouquets as the summer goes on, but I definitely want to keep that $15 price point for most of the bouquets, because I think that's going to be what sells the most. So I'm going to do a $15 price point, a $25, and maybe a $35 if I have enough as the summer goes on. So that's my plan right now. Let's make some $15 bouquets. Okay, I think that's my combination. Let's see if I can show you a better angle here. I think that looks great. So we have, these are elderflowers, sunflower, sweet William. These are like a little, kind of like a little baby's breath. It's actually just a weed that I found out growing. This is something else that I found growing that I foraged. Bachelor buttons. We've got some snapdragons. I have a bee balm here. And what else is in here? This is another little piece that I foraged. So just to add a little bit of greenery. But that's gonna be our $15 bouquet. I'm gonna make 6 like this one. All right, I got the first 6 bouquets made. It took me an hour. That's not good timing. But they look pretty good for a start. So this next bouquet, I'm gonna use 2 of these sunflowers as my focal, and I'm just gonna try to stick with like white, green, yellow as my color palette. just to keep it kind of neutral. And everything I have is white and green, so these are just those little white and yellow flowers. Then I have the Dusty Miller, which also has yellow. All right, so pull these up just a little bit, but there is our bouquet. We've got 3 snapdragons, 2 sunflowers, and then just multiple fillers. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm just prepping my wrapping paper so that I can wrap up my bouquets. So I just fold it in half. These are already cut out for where the stems go in the middle. And then I'm just using, I got this new stamper, really, really cute. And I'm just gonna be stamping the corner of the paper with the logo before I lay the flowers down. So that way they will all have the, I don't know if you can see it, the Row & Co logo on there. it was full when I got here, and now what's left? 3 or 4 maybe? Yeah, I'm doing good. Yes, I know. Everything's turning out so good. It's all grown here locally in Monticello. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, we'll be here all summer. So if you need some bouquets this summer, you come see me. Yes. Thank you. My creative brain at work. Thank you. Well, enjoy the market today. I know, me too. I miss it. I like coming out here on the weekends. Now I get to be part of this side of it versus the shopping side of it. Might save me some money now. Hey, how you doing today? Good. I'm very good. Thank you. Yeah, we got a few left. I'm sold out today almost. I'm excited. Yeah, it's been a fun day so far. It's been a very fun day. Yeah, please do. Please do. Yep, be here every Saturday. Yep, all summer. Yeah, come see me for sure. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. So I'm here at our local farmers market. Everything is going really, really well. We only have 5 bouquets left. So yeah, I'm just waiting to finish selling these last few, and then we'll probably be packing up and headed home. It was a great day. We had many people came out and basically came just for us. They said they saw that we were going to be here and they were really excited to come get flowers from us. So it's been a really great day so far. People have really enjoyed the flower truck, and they have loved to come up and just compliment it and hang out by it and take pictures with it. So it's been a really, really fun day so far. So looking forward to selling out the rest of these bouquets and headed home for the day.
I'm not either. I work in
Alright friends, here's the update. We sold all of the bouquets today. It went really, really well. Everyone was really excited. The market's actually over in another hour, but we're gonna go ahead and pack up and head home since we're finished. So it was a great day. Glad you guys were here with me, and I'll see you guys next time here at Relico Farms.